Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how I make my delicious and addicting savory stir-fried garlic green beans. So keep watching and cook with me. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, which will help share my video with new viewers. Line your green beans up and chop the ends. Repeat for all your green beans. Your green beans should be similar in size. Give it a good wash and shake. Let this dry completely before cooking. Chop up your garlic and it's time to cook. Heat up oil and quickly fry your green beans until it blisters. Set it aside. Saute your garlic until fragrant and discard any oil. Return your green beans and toss with the garlic. Season with salt and that's it. Doesn't that look amazing? Yum! Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on that like button so YouTube can share my video with new viewers. And don't forget to hit the bell so you're notified each time I post a new video.